Senator Whitmer.
Thank you, Mr. President. I just came from crashing the governor's latest press conference, as I'm apt to do in times of tough votes and tough debates here at the Capitol. And you know, there's not anyone who's been a greater critic of the governor than I over the last few years. But today, I'm here to tell you he's right. I'm glad he came back from Israel. I'm glad he's here trying to push through Medicaid expansion legislation, because it's the right thing to do. We're talking about 500,000 people in the state of Michigan that you're about to turn your backs on and go home on a vacation. We're talking about hundreds of millions of dollars that could come into our state that other Republican governors have grabbed onto because it's the right thing to do for the health of their people, for the welfare of their state. And it impacts every single one of us. You know, if you're lucky enough, and I know all of you senators are, lucky enough to have health care with your job, where you walk into the hospital and you've got your health care card, guess what? Good for you. But you know what you don't know? Is you're subsidizing all the uncompensated care in the state of Michigan when you do that. It costs more for you for us to have this many uninsured people in our state. We all pay, and that's why we all benefit if we do the right thing and expand Medicaid to cover some of our sickest, poorest people in the state of Michigan. Almost 500,000 people, hundreds of millions of dollars for the state of Michigan. So I object to you adjourning today and going on vacation. I object to you turning your backs. I'm even going to give the House Republicans a compliment for standing up and doing the right thing here. You don't hear that from me very often. It takes courage. There's no profile in courage here today. And you know what? I'm going to quote what the governor just said in his press conference. I'm going to urge Michiganders to contact the Republican senators and urge them to take a vote, not a vacation. And I ask that my comments be printed in the Journal.